Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to make walls black. So as example, you can draw a wall. And if you want to make these walls black, you can go to document menu, click pen set, and then choose gray scale. So to be set into black and white. If you want to back again into default, you can go to document, pen sheet, and then you can choose the architectural. Another option, you also can use these options like for the tilings, and another option for pen sheet into your project. Okay, that's it for basic RCCAD tutorial how to make walls black.